Hello, great people of Nigeria. Welcome to the Leadership Clinic. My name is Linus Okorie. Today, I'll be talking about what I've titled Leading in Times of Uncertainties. We all know that all over the world is faced with such a major crisis at every point in time. The future has become uncertain to so many people. But despite these times of uncertainties, those that will be able to make a huge impact and a huge difference will be leaders that are prepared. Leaders that are prepared are leaders that have the capacity to be able to solve major challenges facing the world and even create new opportunities like never before. In any country where there is a huge level of challenge, a leader emerges. And if a leader is not prepared, an opportunity comes, the leader is not able to take on those opportunities. And that's why if you look at nations of the world that have been able to make major progress, there have been nations that have been preparing for the quality of what they will be expecting. And after a period of time, they were able to bring their countries to a place where prosperity is seen by the rest of the world within that particular nation. It is my particular take that our country will become the very best it can become if leaders understand how to lead in these times. In these times of uncertainty in this country where you don't even know what will happen next in any part of the country, leaders must begin like never before to cast a vision of the future like never before and begin a process of preparing young people for the leadership challenges that they will be expecting in the future, until nations begin to pump in billions of naira, billions of dollars to invest in the next generation of leaders in terms of ensuring their values are set. Will not be able to build a system that is sustainable. Take a look at what is going on Facebook and other social media sites. If you begin to see the quality of their contributions that actually come up, then you might have an opportunity to be worried about the next generation of leaders, because of the fact that these leaders are experiencing a huge gap in the quality of leadership that they are supposed to experience like never before. It is therefore my call. I am making this call this very good morning to all great people of our country to begin to, like never before, wherever that you are, to begin to provide leadership in this time that is so dearly needed. If we make up our minds and believe beyond every reasonable doubt that we will have the capacity to mobilize the people of our country towards ensuring a great country in the future, then that is the time when we will begin to lead despite of the challenges that we are facing. We will be able to look at opportunities in the face and take advantage of the opportunities that we can see in our mind's eyes. It is the only way that we can gravitate towards a future that we must have changed because of the way we decide to engage with the future. Great people of our country, let us join hands and begin to help to lead as individuals in this time of uncertainties. But you must remember that if a man doesn't have a purpose of waking up, sleeping becomes interesting.